My channel. Today we are gonna go to Tirupati. In middle we are gonna go to other temple and let's go. And guys, we came to Jogramba temple and let's go in. Going in. And guys, this is outer scenery. And guys, we should go in there. And guys, this is also all are Tungabhadras. So we are going to Tungabhadra Dam, guys. Guys, this also, and this is also one, guys. And this is and guys, after that big pillar, there is a river, guys. Boundary wall. And guys, there, from there we can go, guys. You can see, I think. And that is the temple. This is the scenery. Now we are gonna go up from that left side, guys. This is the main temple. And guys, from here we can go up. These are the steps. And guys, this and the boating. And there was a and this are Krishna river, guys. Tungabhadra river. And Krishna river also. And guys, that is me. We turned to there and came from there, guys. Finally, we reached Mettu, guys. And this is the temple, guys. It is made before 2-3 years, guys. You can see that design. And we are in. This is the temple for this. Hi, monkey. This is full of temple, guys. This is if you see the wall, it's like old walls. This wall. This in is main, guys. This is the main temple. And guys, finally we reached Tirupati at night. I think time is 9:30. And guys, we are going to eat, guys. Bye, guys. We are in Govardhan Dam, guys, and windmills are up, guys. And we are gonna go to Papa Vinasamu and Akasa Ganga
Venugopala Swami temple.
And guys, this you can see the windmills. Up. We are in Tirupati, guys.
ఎందుకు ఎంతగానో వీడియో షార్ట్ తీయాలంతే.
Guys, this is a river called Dam. I'm just joking. This is a dam, guys. I don't know how it's a dam. They say ancient. What is the dam name? Let's go. Guys, this is in the temple, means not in. From there we came in, and this is the fountain. You became Gundu. And guys, see this water fountain. And guys, this is the fountain. And you can see that real god, guys. You can see this also. We are gonna go to Srivalipadam, guys. And we entered Srivalipadam, guys. And guys, we came here. This all is natural rock garden. You can see there.
1600 crores back.
And this tree. And now I'm gonna show you this peacock. This is peacock, guys. Not real stone made. And there is a god. Let's go front. You can see the snakes, guys. Different. See, guys, the taller rock, guys, not real. And you can see this, guys. These are real stones. Now we are gonna go there. And this is the main, guys. This is like a ring shape, and this is not man-made also. This is made by natural. You can wear here. Let's go. This all you can see. You can see this all. And guys, there you can see the antenna, like that is windmill, guys. There's a bit of snow. We are gonna go there, and first we are gonna go here. And you can see the waterfall, guys, from there, there, and here is the water. The water will go till here, there, and you can see this. And we should go more up, guys. From there, water is flowing, guys. We came to Akasaganga, guys. There you can see the water, and there also. And let's go front. And you can And guys, day 3 is also done. Today is day 4. At day 3 night, this is the scenery first, guys. And day 3 night, we reached Mahanandi temple house, guys, guest house. And night we reached at 12:30. And we slept, get up, went to temple that side. And we are going to Alpiri, not Alpiri, another temple, guys. And this is the scenery you can see. Tonight we will be in Hyderabad, HYD. You can see the scenery. See, you. This is full scenery, guys. This all. Guys, at morning when we saw, here some pipes would be. Wait, I will show you. From up we saw. No, guys are not getting only. This is for time pass for scenery. See guys, like this at night will go directly there, and one more we are not getting that. In farms, two sides it will rotate. No guys, like that here also it will be. We're not getting it. That was from there we from up we saw. Now I think it went inside. As you can see, this also from there water, here water, outside nothing. This is the first scenery. I think I got this guys, like this. It will go sides guys for water. It will go.
So guys, now
different
we
ways.
will go to car and we will see the scenery.
Come, let's go. And this is the temple, guys. There, and this is full temple, guys. We can go in from there, and main gate is from there. And now let's go into the car, and let's go to, I don't know, another temple. Let's go.
చిన్న చిన్న మంకీస్ లేదా కింద మంకీస్ చూడు ఫోటో రెడీ అవుతున్నా
Video. This is the scenery. This is the scenery, and that is the temple, and we can go more up. This is for the scenery. We came to Avabalam, Pedda Avabalam, guys. This is the waterfall. Now you can see the waterfall. Avabalam. This is called Pedda Avabalam. Avabalam something. This is the waterfall, guys. From there, coming more up. See the water here also, guys. This is Mandapam. You can see this is banyan tree. You can see the water. This is third bridge, guys. Water. You can see up. You can see this also. You can see this water from there, from here, there. Oh my god. And this is a temple. This is the one. Oh, this. You can see this waterfall, this all mountains. This is one temple. We cannot go so up. We should go to Hyderabad. So we are going to here only, enjoying some time down, and going to Hyderabad. There is one. You guys, oh, you can see there also, but we are going here. Yes, let's go there. Oh my god, we came. See the scenery again and again, guys, if you come here. And on the way to Hyderabad, we stopped to eat dinner, guys. Time is 9:30. You can see the two ducks. Guys, finally we came, and our trip to Tirupati is done. Thanks for watching, guys.